So finally, by popular demand, we starting our eBay challenge. Now, I'm gonna focus on sneakers, hype clothing, and I even might do some electronics, bro. However, to make this channel more relatable, I'm gonna start off selling things that I already own, something that I suggest that you do a lot on this channel. Now, as far as rules, here's how we gonna do it, bro. Pretty much it ain't no rules. You can source from anywhere, meaning we can get our inventory from anywhere, however, whenever. But for now, the goal of this challenge is to make $1,000. Let me know in the comments if y'all want me to up that, and if you do, let me know what y'all want me to up that too. We can do whatever y'all want. So I'm excited about this challenge. Let's jump right into it. All right, so this is my little electronics box in the garage, all right? 6 days to Sunday, Batman and Robin, Money Talks. This is all on VHS for you youngsters, all right? Oh, wow. Honestly, I don't want to sell this because it's got a Cowboys player on the front of it, so we're gonna have to try to go look in another box. Check this out. I did custom shoes. I'm pretty sure no one would want these as they are terribly painted. Let me know if y'all into that still. Oh, wow. Material to make stuff. I don't really want to sell used shoes. These are actually my cousins. I was supposed to restore them and never got around to it. So yeah, definitely don't want to sell none out of here either. All right, so after digging in a bunch of boxes of stuff, I actually found this old Bape shirt that I found at, I believe, a garage sale. Now, I don't know if it's authentic. It feels authentic and it's pretty dope. I'm gonna get that authenticated, and then boom, if this is authentic, this is definitely going in the challenge. Wonder what these are going for. Y'all let me know if y'all think this is real, bro. Here, let me show you how to tag again. Also, I got a pair of Jordan What the 5s, all right, in a size 10.5, thanks to the very helpful cook group Drop Alert, all right? Now, this challenge for me is about being 100% candid. Being candid, I'm sponsored by Drop Alert, which is why you see me promote them so much outside of them actually being a really helpful cook group. I said all that to say it's gonna be 100% profit, and they're selling at a good margin right now, so that's definitely something we're gonna use to start this challenge off with as well. Also, if you watch me, then you know I'm currently getting into sneaker botting, all right? And if you know anything about sneaker botting, then you know that you best know what you're doing when you're getting into that. Well, guess what? I still don't know what I'm doing. I'm still learning, and my bot accidentally copped a pair of the mid metallic gold Jordan 1s, all right? Now, I already own a personal pair of these, so if you've seen me post them before, that was my personal pair. I actually got another pair in on accident. Now, what actually happened was I was shooting for a whole nother pair of Jordan 1s, but when you're botting, if your keywords aren't 100% correct, then it's gonna grab whatever it thinks you're trying to get, and that's what it was. So I'm not really mad about it. I'm not expecting too much profit on these as they're not really in demand and they wasn't really limited, but still good to start the challenge off with. So far, we got some decent inventory. Now, the least most fun part of eBay period is listing this stuff, all right? But I'm gonna show you that as well. First thing I wanna stress, the most important part is the title. You want to be viewable by the people who are searching for your product. The way I title my listings is simple. I say the name, but I always add a product number, okay? And that's if there's a product number. If there's not, then of course don't, but if it has a product number, definitely use that. The very next thing is clear pictures. This is the second most important part. Honestly, most camera phones will cut it nowadays, bro. However, if you want to get fancy and get a camera, do that as well. But shoot it up against a white background or just a clean background and you should be decent. If you're doing clothes, please make sure to zoom in on tags so people know that they're authentic. People are sketchy on eBay, trust me, especially when buying clothes. Always on anything, whether it's clothes, shoes, electronics, show any scratches, imperfections, everything, because trust me, if it ever comes down to it, that could help you win a dispute. Also, in the description, be as transparent as possible, because once again, that's gonna help you in a dispute. If it's missing something, state that. If it doesn't have the box, state that. Because in the end, all that's gonna save you, and that's you being transparent with your buyers, which honestly is the key to eBay. It's been 72 hours since we uploaded the What the 5s and the metallic 1s, all right? I'm waiting on the Bape shirt because I'm waiting to get it authenticated, but once I get that back, it's definitely going up. But honestly, bro, I thought I would have made a sale by now. That's one of the toughest parts about eBay too, is thinking that you're gonna make quick sales. And that's not always realistic, bro. So we definitely gonna stay the course. We definitely gotta get in here, check out some stuff. That's honestly what I'm doing now, is just looking around and checking, and Bro, you gotta be kidding me. So the reason I tripped out like that is because I noticed something. Remember how I talked about the item number in the title, right? Well, I actually had a space in there. And that's why I wasn't getting no views. That's why I wasn't getting no buys on the What the Fives, because I'm like, bro, these are flying off the shelf all day. Why am I selling? They're reasonably priced. And that made sense because soon after, boom, we made our first sale of the challenge. The What the Five sold for $230, and that's our profit. That's definitely going back into our business to get us some more inventory. Now, here's one thing I don't like, I'm gonna be honest. When you first start out on eBay, they actually hold your payment and they tell you it's for 21 days. However, that's not the case. The day is delivered, within an hour to 2 hours, they release your funds to PayPal, so you good. Now, bro, all right, so now that we made the sale, you have to ship fast on eBay, bro. Here's why. You wanna be a top seller. You wanna get them out quick, and especially because now with the authentication thing, that's another pit stop. You definitely do not want to play with that shipping time. You definitely want 5 stars. So get that package out ASAP. We got the sale, all right? So we're gonna use some of my favorite shipping boxes to send these on out, all right? They're good, sturdy boxes. And if you're interested in using what I use, I'm gonna link my shipping kit down below in the description. You can definitely check it out there. This is the tape I use, scale, everything. Taped it up real good. We use eBay's label system because honestly, that's the cheapest. I've looked around everywhere. That's gonna give you the best deal. And then boom, we send it out. Now, like I said earlier, I don't wanna just focus on shoes. So the next thing I'm gonna target is actually some streetwear clothes, all right? Supreme is back dropping, so I'm definitely gonna try to get some Supreme, whether it's the dice, whether it's whatever, accessories, hats, clothes, whatever. And I'm also gonna get in on the Kith Monday program because they definitely got some stuff, and I see that stuff going on eBay all the time. So find out next episode what we're gonna put that $230 back into. If you're not subscribed, definitely lock in, bro, so you can see what's happening with this challenge. Love everybody out there. Let's get it.